Mana? Mana? Ano ka?
A few moments later.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to explore something simple but actually mind-blowing, the concept of dimension and how to shape like cube and sphere here help us understand the world around us. Now when we talk about dimensions, we are basically talking about how we measure space. The simple one dimension, like a straight line, it only has leg, no y and no height, just a single direction. But things start to get more interesting when we move into two dimension, like a square. A square has no leg and white, but it's completely flat. It doesn't have teeth, so you can really hold it in real life. It's only exists on surface like paper or screen. Now let's step into the world we actually live on, three dimension. This is where shape like cube come in. A cube has length, width and height, which is mean it has volume. Think about a box, a dice, or even a building. These are all example of cube-like structure. What's cool about cube is how structure and symmetrical they are. Every face is a square, every edge is equal, and everything connect at perfect right angles. That's why cubes are often used in design, architecture, and even storage, because they are make space difficult and predictable. When you calculate the volume of a tube, you simply multiply one side volume um, by itself. The three times. It's simple, but it's no reference. Sometimes something powerful space you can actually use, but not everything in the world is a chef and Buxley. This is where chef there come in. A spread here is completely different from a cube. It has no edge and then no corners, just one smooth continuous surface, and then every point on a speed here is the same distance from the center, which is make it perfectly symmetrical in all direction. Think about a ball, a planet, or even a drop of water. Nature loves speed here because there are balance and affection. For example, planets like Earth and nearly spherical because gravity pull everything down the center equally. The formula for the volume of a space here is a bit more complex than cube. Innovating p the radius, but it shows how curved space behave differently from state angel. That's really fascinating is how their chefs are not just made concept, they are actually define our reality. Cube help us build city, organize object and create technology. Speed here help us understand motion, gravity, and even the structure of universe. If you look around, you are notice that the combination of the chef is everywhere, from the design of this of everything chef object to the planet in space, even in the modern technology like 3D modeling and video games. Cube and space here are basic building blocks used to create complex world. Now here are where things get even more interesting. Science believe that the three dimension we experience might not be the only ones that exist. There could be highlighter dimension ones we can see or touch. Their ideals come from advanced theory. It's physical. We are extra dimension could explain how the universe really works. At his smallest level, it's hard to imagine, but just like a 2D chef can fully understand 3D space, we might not be able to fully understand either dimension either. So next time you see a simple box or a ball, remember it's more than just an object, just a window into understanding space, structural, and even the universe itself. From cube to shape here, this shape help us make sense of everything around us, from the small object to the large galaxy. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friend. See you in next video. Goodbye.